Hey guys, welcome to Drawing Art Fun and Enjoy. Today, we're going to draw the adorable and sneaky Meowth from Pokémon. Let's draw with me. First, draw two semicircles for Meowth size with little circles inside for the pupils. Don't forget Meowth's signature coin. Draw a small oval right in the middle of the forehead, just above the eyes. Now, let's add Meowth's whiskers. He has two long whiskers on each side of his face. Also, draw two triangular shapes at the top of the oval for Meowth's ears. Remember to make them pointy at the top. Then, add a little W shape for the mouth. Next, sketch out his arms and legs as simple lines with rounded hands and feet. For the body, draw a small oval beneath the head for Meowth's chest. Don't forget Meowth's curvy tail. Start at the side of the body and draw a long, curled line to form his playful, swirly tail. Lastly, add any final details, like shading or extra lines, to make Meowth pop off the page. Once you're happy with your sketch, you can color him in. for drawing with me today, and remember, a splash of color can brighten anyone's day. You can leave a comment below for your suggestion drawing, and we will try to draw in our next video. See you on next video.